Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get back to school and learn the easy way to draw a beautiful flying bird step by step, and keep watching beautiful art and craft for more easy drawing videos for kids. Fun and easy animal drawing. Here you find a variety of drawing videos. These drawing tutorials will show you how you draw step by step in a fun and easy way. From animals to food to superheroes, you can learn to draw everything on my channel. So what are you waiting for? Please subscribe Beautiful Art and Craft Kids. Here you can find more videos about drawing for kids, kids pictures, drawing tutorial, step by step, which are more easy for your child to draw. Wow, it looks nice and beautiful. You can make easily a very beautiful flying bird for your kids. You can see on my channel how to draw different things for your children, drawing kids, children drawing videos, painting. Please subscribe my channel for daily updates, like and share. Here you can choose a color of your own choice, while brown, red, mostly a sparrow or flying birds are shown brown color, so you can pick brown color, which makes them natural look. Wow, it looks so amazing and beautiful. It looks so cute and beautiful.